Alrighty, Rick, here's your 347 small block 4. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. It's got the Edelbrock air gap. Got one of our house carburetors on it. MSD Pro Billet, custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the front sump oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, let's see, 3,600, 400 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 444, peak horsepower 501, so everything's good. We rated at 500. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. I'll show you a couple other little things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, find this thing that looks like a credit card. It's a USB card, full of technical information. It's got all your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff, so I would recommend plug it in and watch it. Then on the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number and some other specs. That engine number, that is the easiest way for us to look you up. If you need anything from us, if you flip it over, it's got this UR code. Hover over that, click it, and it'll take you to our site, a bunch of other technical stuff. So highly recommend watch it all. It'll help your installation. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Have a great day.